Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Lucas. How are you today?
Hi, Amelia. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I've been really focused on my eating habits and nutrition lately. I want to share some of my experiences with you and hear your thoughts on healthy eating.
That sounds interesting, Amelia. I have been trying to eat healthier too. I recently started planning my meals and cooking more at home. What changes have you made in your diet?
Well, I decided to include more fruits and vegetables in every meal. For breakfast, I now have a bowl of oatmeal with fresh berries. And for lunch, I usually prepare a big salad with spinach, tomatoes, cucumber, and a little grilled chicken. I've also started drinking more water throughout the day.
That's great. I have been doing something similar. I like to start my day with a smoothie. I mix a banana, some spinach, and a little yogurt with almond milk. It gives me a lot of energy in the morning.
Smoothies are a fantastic idea. They are quick to make and very nutritious. Do you use any other ingredients like nuts or seeds?
Yes. Sometimes I add a tablespoon of chia seeds or a few almonds for extra protein. I think it makes the smoothie even more filling.
I agree. I also like to add a bit of honey for sweetness and sometimes a scoop of protein powder if I'm planning to work out later.
That sounds very healthy. I have noticed that eating a balanced breakfast helps me stay focused at work. Do you plan your meals for the day?
Yes, I do. I try to plan my meals every Sunday for the coming week. I write down what I will have for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even snacks. It helps me avoid buying too much junk food.
That's a good strategy. I sometimes make a simple list on my phone. I plan for a balanced diet that includes proteins, carbohydrates, and vegetables.
Exactly. I think it is important to have a variety of foods. For example, I try to include different colors in my salad because each color usually means different nutrients.
I have heard that eating the rainbow is a good rule. Red, yellow, green, and even purple fruits. And vegetables have different vitamins and antioxidants.
Yes, and it makes the meal look more appetizing. I also try to reduce the amount of processed food I eat. I cook fresh meals as much as possible.
I do the same. I believe home-cooked meals are healthier because you can control the ingredients. For dinner, I often prepare a stir-fry with vegetables and lean meat, and I serve it with brown rice.
That sounds delicious. I love stir fries because they are quick and easy to make. I sometimes add tofu instead of meat to have a vegetarian option.
That's a great idea. It is always good to have variety. Have you tried any new recipes recently that you found especially good?
Yes, I tried a quinoa salad last week. I mixed quinoa with black beans, corn, tomatoes, and a little lime dressing. It was refreshing and full of protein. I think it might be my new favorite lunch.
Quinoa salad sounds really healthy and tasty. I've been meaning to try quinoa because I know it is very nutritious.
It is. I also like to experiment with different dressings. Sometimes I make a simple vinaigrette with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. It really brings out the flavors of the vegetables.
I love olive oil and lemon juice too. They are very natural ingredients. I try to use them in my recipes as well.
Besides recipes, I also focus on maintaining a good eating routine. I eat at regular times and avoid late night snacking. Do you have any routines that help you stay healthy?
Yes, I try to have my meals at the same times every day. I also avoid eating heavy meals late at night because I want to sleep well. I think good nutrition and good sleep are closely related.
I agree completely. I have noticed that when I eat too much before bed, I don't sleep well. So I try to have a light dinner and maybe a cup of herbal tea if I feel hungry later.
Herbal tea is excellent for relaxation. I sometimes drink chamomile tea in the evening. It helps me calm down and get a good night's sleep.
That's a wonderful tip. I have started drinking green tea in the morning for an energy boost and chamomile tea at night to relax.
It seems we both are on the same page about healthy eating and good habits. Have you noticed any changes in your energy or mood since you started your new diet?
Yes, I have. I feel more energetic in the morning and my concentration has improved. I also feel lighter and less tired in the afternoons. It's amazing how much food can affect your mood and energy.
I've experienced that too. I feel that when I eat a balanced diet, I am more focused and less stressed at work. It helps me stay positive throughout the day.
Exactly. I also believe that good nutrition is a key part of a healthy lifestyle. It supports not only our physical health, but also our mental well-being.
That's true. Eating well can reduce stress, improve mood, and even boost creativity. I sometimes feel inspired to try new things after a healthy meal.
I feel the same. I've even started to share my recipes with friends on social media. It's fun to exchange ideas and see what others are cooking.
Social media is a great place to find healthy recipes. I follow several food blogs and Instagram pages that share simple, nutritious meal ideas.
Yes, I do that too. I learned a new smoothie recipe from an Instagram page that mixes banana, spinach, and almond milk. It tastes great and is very filling.
I like smoothies a lot. They are quick to make and very refreshing. I sometimes add a spoonful of peanut butter for extra protein.
Peanut butter is a good idea. It gives the smoothie a rich flavor. I also sometimes add a little chia seed for extra fiber.
It sounds like you have a good system for creating healthy meals. Do you also plan your meals for the week?
Yes, I plan my meals every Sunday. I make a list of what I will cook each day and buy the ingredients in advance. This way, I avoid eating out too much and stick to my healthy diet.
That's very smart, Amelia. I do a similar thing with my meal planning. It helps me save money and eat better.
I believe that small changes in our diet can lead to big improvements in our health over time.
I agree completely. By choosing healthy foods and preparing our meals, we take control of our nutrition and overall well-being.
It feels empowering to know that we can make a difference in our own health with simple choices every day.
Absolutely. And sharing these experiences with friends makes it even more enjoyable. I love discussing recipes and tips with others who care about healthy living.
Me too, Lucas. It is very motivating to learn new recipes and see the benefits of a good diet. I hope to try many more healthy dishes in the future.
I look forward to that as well. Perhaps we could cook together sometime, or exchange some of our favorite recipes.
That sounds like a wonderful idea. I would love to cook a healthy meal with you and share our ideas. We could even invite other friends who are interested in healthy eating.
Yes, a healthy cooking party would be fun. We can plan a day to try out new recipes. Maybe even make a salad bar or a smoothie station.
I'm excited just thinking about it. Healthy eating is not only good for our bodies, but also a great way to have fun with food.
Exactly. It makes me feel creative and happy when I experiment in the kitchen. I believe that a balanced diet is key to a balanced life.
I completely agree, Lucas. I'm very proud of the progress I've made, and I feel much more energetic and focused now.
It's amazing how simple changes can make such a big difference. I feel the same way.
Thank you for this wonderful conversation, Lucas. I enjoyed sharing my healthy eating habits and recipes with you, and I learned some new ideas as well.
Thank you, Amelia. I also enjoyed our chat. It's great to know we share similar goals in maintaining a healthy lifestyle.
Let's keep in touch and share more recipes in the future. Perhaps we can plan a healthy cooking session together sometime soon.
That sounds perfect, Amelia. I'm looking forward to it. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your healthy meals.
You too, Lucas. Take care and happy cooking.
Goodbye, Amelia.
Goodbye, Lucas.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.